guys, today I'm going to teach you to just draw like I always do, and I'm going to show you. If you want, you don't have to, because at the end of the video I'll show you my methods clearly. So the first thing is you can use just any color. I like to use brown. So we're just going to make a tree. I'm used to making trees at school. This is how I draw a tree, but you can draw a tree anyway. I like to draw trees with leaves, but you don't have to. You can just draw trees without leaves, with flowers, without flowers. If you don't have enough time, then I'll wait for you. Okay, now I like to use around this green for the leaves. You can just draw some leaves. You don't have to do really detailed like each leaf. You just draw some green stuff. But if you want, you can do detailed each leaf. But that will take a while. Okay. Where does this come from? Oh, here. Okay. Then, normally I don't do a tree in the house, but this time I am. Then, let's draw a chair. You can also draw the granny sitting on the couch, but I most of the time do a granny sitting on a chair. Okay, and then, Then you can draw an old granny. So I normally always do most of the time, not always, but most of the time I do the head first. But this time I'm doing the body first, just to get the right shape. Then I always somehow do this or this shade for the skin color. Okay. Then let's draw. You can also do white hair. Well, you can't see that too well. I'm gonna do gray hair. Most of the time for old grannies, I do gray hair. I'm making long hair, but you can also make short hair. And then let's make some eyes. And then you can do dark green, almost any color. And then knitting thingies, you know what I mean, right? If you don't, then I'll show you what I mean. Knitting knitting stitch to and then I always draw it like this, but you can also draw it how you want. And then you can draw a pants. You don't have to do pink, but I like to do pink. After all, that's one of my favorite colors. And then some green little shoes. And the last thing is the cats. The cats over here. No. And there we go. And Oma sitting with the cat and a tree in her house. So now I'll show you my methods clearly. The method that I use to make this, jumper knitting thing is simple. I'll show it here. Line, stripe, stripe. Line, stripe, line, 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 stripe, 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 stripe. And then continue striping. Yeah? Okay. And the method to make the cat, I'll show you now. So you make one tail, then you make one bull, like this, and then two little bully things. Then you make like a semicircle like this. Boop. Then 4 little legs. And there you go, a cat. And if you want to know my method to make the chair, I'll show you it. One straight like this, a little bit thick. Then one like this, also a little thicker. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. And then you can, do you all know how to make the grammar, or should I show you? You know how to do it? Okay. Does everyone know how to make the tree? So lots of people make the tree like this with the leaves. That's not the proper way. The proper way is this. You can also do this method, but it's not really the proper method, you know. The cat's in the way, but don't mind it. Okay. So this is not the proper way. This is the proper way, yeah? But you could also do this way. Bye. I hope you know all the methods now. Bye.